Hi, Robin Rose here, making a spontaneous video. Once again, I'm working away and I thought, oh, I should show people what I'm doing. So what I did was, I dried, this whole basket had dandelion, oops, I'm going backwards. Wait a second. Which way faces the camera? Oh, see, I told you it was spontaneous. All right, I can do this. I can't turn around in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna just hope for the best here. I dried dandelion around the rim of this basket. It was very, very full with the leaves kind of spread out here and the roots hanging over the sides like this. Normally, I hope that showed. Normally I wash my dandelion roots first, but it's just a little experiment. I was weeding these actually out of the food garden, and what I found by spreading the greens out was they dried beautifully. I'm averaging maybe tossing out one leaf per plant, you know, as compost. Not too bad. It's like I'll toss this one because it's kind of, it's a little yellow and faded, right? And then what I'm doing here is I'm just brushing the dried roots. See if I can hopefully not get too much dirt in my phone. So anyway, I'm brushing off the dirt, and instead of being like kind of really particular about it, I'm just getting off what I can easily without stripping the root. Oh, see, and I'm looking again, and I'm saying, all right, wait a minute. Here, there was another sort of yellowy leaf. I'm going to take that one out. And what I'll do is when I make infusions from this dandelion root and leaf, which once they're clean are going into this bag, I will filter it. I'll filter if it's gritty. If it's gritty, I'll filter it through like an unbleached coffee filter. So I'm almost done with this task. And for any of you who follow me on Instagram, you know that my whole house was completely filled with baskets and bags. See, this is beautiful. So anyhow, this is the absolutely last, well, wait, that's not true. This is the last older herbs that are cleaned up. I have a living room again for like 3 seconds. Herbs are hanging in the herb room where they're supposed to be. And yeah, so I'm very excited. I just have a few more roots and leaves to clean up here, and I think this is going to be great. I mean, really, they're pretty darn clean. Again, this was what I was weeding out of the food garden. I leave a lot, but I was taking some out because the kale said, I can't breathe, please. So I'm just, again, removing older ones, not older, ones that did not dry well, and keeping all these beautiful greens. And I'll make dandelion leaf and root infusions, or perhaps perhaps some iron tonic syrup to have in the when it gets colder, to support the immune system, to help people with anemia or preventatively. And also, of course, dandelion is just an all-around amazing medicine. Here, wait, I'll give you a nicer background. An all-around amazing medicine for, much nicer, right? For the lymphatic system and the liver. So supports our immune health, which really all of us need to be mindful of, not fearful about, but mindful of, doing whatever we can, as much as we can, to help ourselves be strong and vibrant and healthy. And herbs are amazing allies, filled with green blessings. So I'm going to go finish my dandelions and then go out and play. Much love. And again, green blessings to you. Get out in nature. It shifts everything when you go outside and really connect in. All right. So until next time, peace. Robin Rose.